Wealth building in 2026, we want to think about why we're building wealth. This is going to help us push past any lost momentum, any lost focus. We want to avoid losing our trajectory because it's very hard to get that back. We're trying to compound returns over a long time. So financial freedom, it gives you so many things. It enhances who you are, makes you more of what you are, because it gives you more of your time back. Time for hobbies like golf or bowling or going to the movies. It gives you options. You can choose where you want to live, for example, once you get past a certain amount of financial stability. You can have better experiences, more travel. You can give experiences to other people. Financial freedom buys you access to exclusive clubs, to members areas. Financial freedom gives you growth. Helps you level up to be a better version of yourself. Financial freedom gives you the ability to say no to things that you wouldn't be able to say no to if you had the wealth that you want. Financial freedom helps you create legacy for you, your family, and your community. It might be that you want to anonymously support the SPCA or your community, your scout group or your church. That legacy can be helping you feel better about yourself. You can make it public or private. Financial freedom gives you a greater capacity to take on more things because you can buy other people to help you with those certain skills that you don't want to do anymore. Example, somebody comes to mow my lawn. It's not that I don't enjoy doing it. It's not my favorite thing, but for a nominal amount of money, somebody comes to do it for me. Now, financial freedom gives you more money. Money makes money, and once you get past a certain point of net worth and cash, then you can invest that money and get returns on it. And once you just break past that ceiling, then it's you can make mistakes, you can take your time, you can do things that it's hard for you to go below that point again. So you can see financial freedom in two ways. You can see it as an income and you can see it as assets. So it might be that you're building towards 10 million in assets, but ideally you're working backwards from having a certain amount of income and flexibility in your work so that you're getting to this financial independence and security, and then you can target financial freedom in the future.